Top 10 Money-Earning Apps. Without investment, are you looking for ways to make money without investing a lot of time and money? We have compiled a list of the top 10 money-earning apps without investment that you can use to make some extra cash. We'll provide you with information about how each app works, the potential earnings you can make, and tips for getting the most out of each one. We hope this information helps you find the best way to make money without investing in the stock market or other risky investments. Rakuten rewards customers with up to 40% money back on purchases from famous retailers, cafes, and food delivery services. Clients can earn cash back on a variety of purchases, including travel, gift cards, and other items. Becoming a Rakuten member is easy and cost-free. You can start earning cash back on purchases immediately after signing up. It's easy. Just create an account, select the retailer from which you wish to make a purchase, and complete the transaction through the app. You can likewise connect a credit card or check to your Rakuten record to bring in money in the store, providing that you put the plan into action via the application first. You may feel confident that Rakuten will never sell, distribute, or otherwise expose any credit card details you provide. The majority of credit and debit cards issued by American Express, MasterCard, and Visa can be linked to your Rakuten account. Rakuten credits the refund to your account after confirming the purchase with the retailer, which it says can take anywhere from a few hours to several days. MCent is the best option for those who are looking for a way to recharge their electricity, mobile phone, and DTH bills. With MCent, you can talk for free with talk time and mobile credit. Even more, you can withdraw money in your wallet. MCent also runs referral and earn programs. For example, you can earn money in Pakistan by referring your friends to MCent. In addition, MCent also has social tasks and third-party applications that you can download for additional bonuses. MCent will provide you with daily tasks. You have to complete assigned tasks on a daily basis in order to earn cash. The tasks would be like playing games, visiting certain places, etc. For now, they have not released an iOS version of the MCent app. Givvy. With Givvy, you can earn free money by playing simple games and inviting your friends. And you can earn Givvy coins and turn them into real money. Speaking of cash withdrawals, Givvy generally takes less than 24 hours or less to transfer money to your linked bank account. Givvy also comes with an exclusive gift list. You can choose one of the prizes available on their giveaway list. All you need to do is register and participate. Assuming you are fortunate, you might win the prize. The prize will be moved to your Givvy balance following the victor is drawn. Givvy has a lot of games to play that you can win a lot of money with. Tic-tac-toe, math games, memory games, and calendar games are some of their popular games. Knowing how developers receive and share your data is the first step toward protecting yourself. Your usage, location, or age may affect the extent to which your personal information is protected. The data provided by the developer may need some alter or add to the information at some point. Fiverr is a global marketplace that features over 200 categories of services, including those in the areas of programming, video, and liveliness. It's very cool that people from all around the world can use Fiverr to offer their services as freelancers. It allows us access to a larger collection of potential employees. The fact that someone is always working on Fiverr even while we sleep is one of its best features. First, create an account, and then you can set your profile as a seller, highlighting your experience. Post the concert you are offering, including the price and a description of your services. Clients, known as purchasers, can snap and place orders. When the job is done, you will receive payment. Fiverr uses vendor performance to determine vendor tier. As you move up through each level, you can sell more extras, such as faster turnaround time. Upwork. Consultants in copywriting, planning, advertising, and other fields can find each other on Upwork. You'll start by creating a profile. You should include details such as your preferred subject of study, relevant coursework, relevant work experience, availability, and your desired pay rate. Then, at that point, you can offer recommendations. Customers will audit them and deal with projects in the event that it appears to be fitting to them. You start each month with a set number of connections, which are like credits that allow you to get in touch with potential customers. You can earn or pay a small fee for more connects, but you won't be charged when customers contact you. You can be paid by the hour or by the project. Google Review Rewards. Google also has its exclusive Earning Rewards app, which can be paid for completing surveys. Like other apps, this app also doesn't require any investment to get started. Just install the app, and you will receive a notification on your phone of the paid surveys available to you. Their services are mainly based on your opinions, such as what product you have listened to recently, what is the most trusted brand in your opinion, etc. You can also get Google Play credit with Google Opinion Rewards. HoneyGain app. If you have a stable and fast internet connection, this app can offer you something. To earn money with the HoneyGain applications, install this first and leave the app running in the background. HoneyGain is a service that will pay you to make other people use your internet connection. The HomeGain app will connect you to a CDN cloud automatically, and you will be paid for whatever amount of internet is used in the application. HoneyGain protects access to your data, only those you approve of, and it never requests or acquires access to your phone's internal memory. Meesho app. If you are looking for a platform dedicated to selling physical products, Meesho may be one of the best places. It is a free application developed for Indian sellers. Additionally, students, housewives, and part-time employees can use Meesho to earn additional income. You can sell clothes, shoes, groceries, and everything related to daily life. The application is secure, and they offer various payment methods. Once you have published a product within the platform, you must share it with the community. Distributing your wares and catalogs to potential buyers will result in an overflow of orders. When quoting rates to consumers, you can add your own profit margin to Meesho's. You can consider this your profit. You can quote product prices that already include a profit margin for yourself. Once you place orders on behalf of your customers, Meesho will handle the shipping and handling. OfferUp. OfferUp, which combined with its competitor LetGo in 2020, works as a local market that you can use to sell your things. If you want to reach a wider audience, OfferUp also allows shipping within the continental United States. Create an account and take a photo of your smartphone, car, sofa, or whatever you are selling. Once you add a title, description, and price, you can post your ad and chat with buyers directly through the app. Then you will send or arrange a meeting with the buyer. OfferUp is the simplest, most trusted method to purchase and sell because of its policies and relationships, as well as its world-class fraud detection, automation, machine learning, and data models. Teams at OfferUp work around the clock to prevent and deal with illegal transactions. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is another best option to earn money online. You can search for paid surveys, shop at your favorite stores, and purchase services using the app. When you join Swagbucks, you will receive a $10 welcome bonus. Swagbucks offers the best surveys for cash, and they receive hundreds of surveys online daily. At Swagbucks, you can complete surveys on essential topics, including politics, movies, TV shows, and shopping experiences at many online stores. I hope you are enjoying the content. If you are and would like to see more, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support would mean a lot and help me continue to create new and exciting content. So, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a beat.